Cooking Class Part 12.
Hello everyone.
My name is Abidzar. My name is Aysila. My name is Khaira.
Today we want to show you how to make French toast. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Okay, so what are the ingredients to make French toast?
We have bread, chocolate, butter.
Okay, thank you so much.
Let's cut the bread. Put the chocolate into the bread. Then cover it. Set the butter into the pan. Put the bread into the pan and then cook it.
A few moments later.
French toast.